Imagine a world where creativity meets intelligence. Designers are transforming ideas into stunning visuals with AI-generated mock-ups, cutting down hours of work while sparking innovation. Marketers dive into analytics dashboards, uncovering insights that drive campaigns with laser precision. And coders? They're harnessing AI tools like Copilot, turning complex code into seamless solutions in a fraction of the time. This is collaboration redefined, where human intuition and AI power create a dynamic synergy, pushing boundaries and shaping the future of work. Together, we're not just keeping pace, we're leading the charge into a new era of creativity and efficiency.
In a world driven by technology, innovation is the heartbeat of progress. Every day, we harness the power of data, transforming ideas into reality. Imagine a future where artificial intelligence enhances our lives, streamlining tasks and unlocking creativity. From smart homes to connected cities, the possibilities are endless. Embracing this digital revolution means staying ahead, adapting, and evolving. It's not just about keeping up, it's about leading the charge into a smarter, more efficient tomorrow. Let's explore the endless potential of technology together.
In a world where technology evolves at lightning speed, staying ahead is essential. A Square solution is here to transform your approach with smart tech and smarter strategies. Imagine harnessing the power of innovation to future-proof your skills. Our cutting-edge solutions empower you to navigate challenges with confidence and creativity. Join us on this journey where every step is a leap towards a brighter, more efficient future. Embrace the change and let's redefine what's possible together.